Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a gift card for the first time, step by step. Step 1. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, gently scratch off the protective layer on the back to reveal the code. For digital cards, check your email or message for the code. Step 2. Visit the official website or app of the gift card issuer. Make sure you are on the secure and correct site to avoid scams. Look for a section labeled Activate, Redeem, or Add Gift Card. Step 3. Sign in to your account if required. Some gift cards need to be linked to an existing account. If you don't have an account yet, create one using your email address and a secure password. Step 4. Enter the gift card code exactly as shown. Double-check for typos or extra spaces, as even small mistakes can prevent activation. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. Some issuers may ask for additional details like your name, billing address, or phone number. Step 6. Confirm your card balance. Once the code is accepted, check your account or the website to ensure the funds have been added. Step 7. Keep the card and confirmation details safe. Your gift card is now ready to use for online or in-store purchases according to its terms. That's it. Following these steps allows you to activate a gift card for the first time quickly and securely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.